Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to change your username on Reddit. Let's have a look. First, open Reddit app. Tap your profile picture icon on top left corner. Then tap My Profile. Before continuing, confirm that you want to keep this as your Reddit username. Tap Change Username. Remove old username, then type new username. Enter your new username and tap Next on top right. Are you sure this will be your username forever? Tap Save Username. That's it, username changed. Tap OK. By tap Edit button, you can change display name. Tap Edit button and type display name. Then tap Save button on top right. That's it, Reddit display name also changed. So these are the steps to change username on Reddit. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.